Why are so many teachers feeling stressed and overwhelmed? Do you ever feel like you're carrying the entire weight of teaching all by yourself? Like maybe nobody truly sees what you're managing, and instead of feeling supported, you just feel overwhelmed. That's because no one ever handed you a proven, calm classroom framework, a simple, reliable, proven system for making teaching feel lighter and more sustainable. Hi, I'm Marian Busfield, and with almost 20 years of teaching experience, I support teachers with research-backed classroom management strategies. I know that during 2 degrees and 2 supplementary diplomas, years of special ed conferences, and Pro-D for classroom teachers, no one ever taught me a proven framework for creating a calm classroom. So if you've ever wondered why teaching feels so stressful and how to build a calmer classroom, you know why I created the Calm Classroom Framework. You know you're not alone. So many teachers step into their classroom each day hoping for calm, but what they actually feel is chaos, stress, and exhaustion. And when you don't feel supported, it's almost impossible to create the calm classroom your students and you really need. You may be asking yourself, why am I so stressed as a teacher? When I first started teaching, I'll be honest, I didn't feel supported at all. I was working with some great people, but I remember walking into my classroom every morning with a pit in my stomach, wondering what behavior would spiral out of control that day or whether I'd make it through without going home late and exhausted. Every night I'd go home drained, second guessing myself and wondering if maybe I just wasn't cut out for this. Then I'd wake up in the early hours with my brain churning. I tried everything, but it was clear I did not have any kind of proven classroom framework I needed to create the calm that I needed. I wondered can teachers manage their own stress to maintain effective classroom management? And here's something I haven't shared before. I used to read stories every single day about other teachers who struggled and overcame just so I could convince myself I wasn't alone and that I wasn't failing. That small sense of connection, even through other people's stories, was the support that kept me putting one foot in front of the other until I found strategies that worked. I drew strength from the stories of other successful teachers, but that alone isn't enough. Their stories helped me to believe I could do it, but I still asked, how can I stop feeling like I'm failing as a teacher? Maybe you felt that too. You show up every day for your students, but secretly you wish someone was showing up for you. You sit at your desk after school staring at that pile of work that never seems to end and think, why does this feel so hard for me when other teachers make it look so easy? But I'm going to tell you the truth. You're not failing. You're not broken. What you're feeling is what so many new and experienced teachers experience when they don't have the support that they need. You need a calm classroom framework because teachers all too often end up working alone, but the best teaching isn't meant to be done alone. We all need support to build the calm, consistent classroom our students thrive in. So what support do teachers need to create a calm classroom? When teachers feel supported, everything shifts. With a calm classroom framework, the research shows that students sense stability and calm, behavior problems decrease, routines start to click, you stop feeling like you're barely surviving the day, and you start feeling like you're actually leading the class. The support that comes from a classroom framework or system that creates calm, not just for your students, but for you, can make all of those things happen. Are you wondering how to stop feeling overwhelmed as a teacher? That's exactly why I created this course. It's built to surround you with the support, structure, and strategies that make teaching sustainable and calm. Inside, I'll walk you through step by step through the same classroom management tools and research-backed strategies that help me go from overwhelmed and isolated to create a calm, structured space where students could thrive and I could finally breathe again. You've been carrying so much on your own, and it doesn't have to stay that way. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. Inside the course, the support you've been hoping for is right here, ready to walk alongside of you. What does support look like for teachers? Well, if you're ready to stop feeling alone in this work and start feeling support, I'd love to invite you into my course, the Calm Classroom Framework. This isn't about working harder or being stricter. It's about having a clear, supportive framework or system that helps you create the calm, consistent routines. And these routines help your students to thrive, you feel confident, and you lead the day instead of just surviving it. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Calm Classroom Framework is here to walk alongside you and help you build the calm classroom you've been hoping for. Thank you for sharing your time with me today as I explored the Calm Classroom Framework with you. I hope to see you inside, and I look forward to chatting with you again soon. Bye for now.